Hello and welcome. This video, Do I Need an Estate Plan?, is the first in a series of 10 videos designed to educate Utah residents about estate planning. For a list of all of our videos, see below or return to our website. In this video, we will answer the following questions. What is an estate plan? What happens if I die without an estate plan? How do I nominate guardians for my minor children? And should I prepare my estate plan myself? For more detailed information, feel free to visit our website at utahtrustandestates.com. So what is an estate plan? An estate plan is a collection of legally binding documents that state to whom your assets are to be distributed upon your death, and that designate the persons who will manage your property upon your death and also in the event you become incapacitated during your lifetime. If you have minor children, your estate plan also designates guardians for those children in the event you and your spouse die before the youngest child reaches age 18. Traditionally, the core document in a basic estate plan was a will, the decedent's last will and testament. Today, a basic estate plan usually consists of a revocable trust, sometimes also known as a living trust, a pour-over will, and a power of attorney, together with beneficiary designations on retirement plans and life insurance policies. We will look at each of these components of an estate plan in greater detail in videos number 2, 3, 4, and 5 of this series. Let's first consider what happens if you die without an estate plan. If you die without any estate plan at all, in other words, no will, no revocable trust, no beneficiary designations, and no property held in joint tenancy, your property will be distributed according to the rules governing intestate succession. When a person dies without an estate plan, he or she is said to have died intestate. The rules governing intestate succession are found in the Utah Probate Code. In general, under these rules, your property will be distributed to your closest living relatives. To whom and in what proportions the property will be distributed depends on which of your relatives survive you. You can find details on just how property is distributed under the rules of intestate succession in Utah on our website. But ultimately, you do not want to die intestate. The laws governing intestate succession are simply default rules that determine where your property will go if you do not have an estate plan, or if your estate plan is incomplete. The reason it's important to have an estate plan is that it is very unlikely that the rules governing intestate succession will result in your property being distributed to exactly the people you want to receive it and in exactly the proportions that you want. One point to be aware of. Even if there aren't substantial assets involved, at the very least, a couple with minor children should have simple wills that nominate guardians who will raise the children in the event both parents die while the children are still minors. The nomination can be made in a separate document, but it is usually made in a will. And even if you don't have substantial assets, if you have life insurance, you should think about how the insurance death benefit proceeds will be used for your minor children. This is discussed in greater detail in video number 6 of this series. Can or should you prepare your own estate plan online? You certainly can prepare your own estate plan. Many people do. And it will be valid as long as you sign it in accordance with the proper formalities. You do not need an attorney. But in our complex society, there are so many rules and nuances, it is frankly unlikely that you will get it right on your own. For that reason, it is generally advisable that you use an attorney. One other cautionary note. There are some organizations that churn out large numbers of poor quality revocable living trusts at a very low cost. You should carefully review the credentials of the attorney who prepares your estate plan. And if someone offers to prepare an estate plan for you at a bargain price, you should probably be wary of them. Unless, of course, they're a friend or family member. That concludes this video. I hope you have found it helpful. For more information, you can visit our website at utahtrustandestates.com or call us at the number you see on your screen. If you would like to watch another video in this series, either click on the appropriate link below or return to our website. Thank you.